In this video, I'm going to show you how to justify a text in Photopea. Start by opening your Photopea project and selecting the Type tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side. To properly justify text, you need to create a text box rather than just clicking once on the canvas. Click and drag on your canvas to create a text box area, then click inside that box and type or paste your text. Once your text is ready, make sure the text layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right side. You may notice alignment options at the top toolbar, such as Align Left, Center, and Right, but you will not immediately see Justify options there. To access justification settings, go to the right side of your screen and open the Paragraph panel by clicking its icon. If you do not see the Paragraph panel, go to the top menu, click on Window, and select Paragraph from the drop-down list to enable it. After opening the Paragraph panel, you will see several alignment and justification options. Choose the Justify option that fits your needs, typically the full Justify icon, and your text will automatically adjust so that both the left and right edges align evenly within the text box. This creates a clean and professional layout, especially useful for longer paragraphs. If you notice that the last line has only a few words and looks stretched or uneven, you can adjust the last line alignment directly within the same paragraph panel by selecting whether you want it aligned left, center, or right. This gives you full control over how your text appears inside the box and helps maintain a balanced design. After making your adjustments, your text will be properly formatted and evenly spaced within the container, and this is how you can justify a text in Photopea.